Hi, Sandra DeBusk, Sasquatch girl and author. I wanted to show you this image that I got. I did crop it and, bring it in up closer. At a distance, though, you can see not only the male walking, but you can see a female sitting against a tree. And the reason I know it's a female is I can see her upper half real well. So, anyway, Robert and I were building a bridge over a creek so that we could drive the golf cart across. And a lot of times the creek gets so deep, it's hard to walk through it unless you got the correct footwear. But anyway, we were building a bridge, and I was taking pictures, when he didn't need me. And this couple, maybe more, of Sasquatch were across the way, walking, just walking. The male walking has a bent shovel in his right hand, and he's holding a small, what looks like Jack Russell in his left arm. I don't know if you can see it. I'm hoping you can. But I'll post this one first, and then I'll post the original picture, and you'll have to look, close, because the field is a good distance across. We call it our second valley. But anyway, I might not post that one because that would be a waste of time. But anyway, just look at this and tell me what y'all think. I am amazed by it. Peace out and God bless.